Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Kakunhun Menteri Jongga Sorkar Jilla la Mynjur ka Nongïalehkai Outstanding Sports Persons Direct Appointment Policy aracara pausan. Kebeplilat ban Thungkam mikitna terekam ke Sorkar yagi Nongïalehkai Sports kibiyo khur takma naga benta ke Jilla hak Nongïalehkai Olympics, Paralympics, Special Olympics nang ta hak Asian Games lani ke Asian Para Games hak Commonwealth lani hak Commonwealth Para Games hak South Asian Games but hak National Games. Habakaran cikilar petai kubor haka apun truk rempang aracara pausan mendirang ba ka Jilla Konrad ke sangma ulang bagajing Thungkam bagi Nongïalehkai Sports kibiyo khur takma niki Nongïalehkai kan longkat kum gajingyo takma jaginong le Asian benta.
As you're aware that we have recently won 5 medals in the national games, and also you're aware that in 2027 Meghalaya is going to be hosting the national games. So in order to prepare for that and also in order to motivate our youngsters and especially our sports person and athletes, so the government today in the cabinet has approved the Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Persons Direct Appointment Policy 2025. Which basically means that all athletes that get a medal for the state in the Olympics, Paralympics / Special Olympics, 2 Asian Games or Asian Para Games, 3 Commonwealth or Commonwealth Para Games, 4 South Asian Games and 5 National Games. So in these games, specifically these games only, whenever they get a medal, the government is going to provide a government job to them depending on the medal that they receive. So if it's an Olympic medal, then it's going to be a category A, and the classifications are there, which I don't want to give you the details, but we have got a full chart for it, that who and what jobs they will be eligible for. And the government, as I said, has decided today that once somebody wins a medal for the state in these specific games only, we will be providing them with a government job. So this particular decision was taken today in the cabinet, and I'm sure it will go a long way in motivating our athletes to do better and perform better in the coming national games being hosted here in Meghalaya.